Yeah, this week getting busy for our winter season. Right now we sit at 30 degrees, cloudy skies. We have a lot to get through. Right now we are quiet, but back to the west, we do have this disturbance that's going to be moving in late tonight into the early morning hours. So just want to touch on this quickly here. We're going to have a brief round of snow after about 10, 11 o'clock here, setting the stage for a quick round of widespread snow showers. This is about 1, 2 in the morning. A lot of us will be sleeping, and then it will move on out in time for the morning commute. However, with temperatures near freezing tomorrow morning, some slick spots, untreated surfaces possible. This isn't going to be a big snowmaker for us, but a ½ an inch up to 2 inches possible. And those higher totals, 1, 2 inches, will be along and north of I-80. So this is a little disturbance moving on through for the middle of our week. And then as we head into the end of the week on Friday, we've been talking about it for the past 24, 48 hours, and things are ramping up. Already out ahead of the storm, a winter storm watch here for mostly all of our area along and north of I-80. This is set to go into effect Friday morning, 6 a.m. and will be in effect through the day right until noon on Saturday. So satellite and radar here looking back to the west. Here system number 1 moves in tonight. Friday's storm is still brewing back towards the Pacific Northwest. This will get going over the Four Corners region, and there's an area of low pressure similar to the last system as it's going to hook on up from the south, and you can see the trajectory up to the north and east. Notice that rain snow line with our in-house model keeping us mainly in the snow zone as we go Friday morning into the afternoon. We pair this powerful low pressure system with very high wind gusts. It's going to be a messy day. Travel delays can be expected here area wide. We're looking at the possibility of gusts up to about 40 miles per hour. The potential is there late Friday, so some whiteout conditions not out of the question with this system. However, I do want to mention we are still 48 hours away. Model still going back and forth with that rain snow line. I take you to the Euro. Here's that rain snow line here. It's a little bit farther to the north, so this could definitely infringe on our snow totals just south of the city, close to the city into northwest Indiana. But again, north and west, closer to the state line, up close to Milwaukee. That's where we're looking at the bullseye. We're going to tweak these numbers over the next 24 hours. I really have no doubt about that. Hopefully not a lot, but this is our general thinking as of right now. We're going to have winds out of the north and east, so that's going to cut back on our snow totals close to Chicago, northwest Indiana. We still have water temperatures in the 30s, near 40 degrees, so it's going to take some time to get that snow going and for it to stick. So we have 3 to 6 in this zone. Back to the west, that's where we could potentially see ½ a foot of snow, up to 6 inches, not out of the question. And there's likely a bullseye here where some of you will get 6+ inches of snow. So this is definitely looking more to be a system that's going to bring us more snow area wide than our last system. But again, that track could change here over the next 12 to 24 hours into the day on Friday. So we have a lot to continue to monitor, but mainly snow with this system north of I-80. Several hours of rain along and south of I-80, also a possibility here. Heaviest snow will be away from the lake. We're looking at those wind gusts up to 35, 45 miles per hour. Poor travel conditions Friday morning, but certainly Friday afternoon and evening. That evening commute likely to be a mess, and there's the potential that we could get some blizzard-like conditions out of this system with that snow flying and winds gusting close to 10 o'clock up to about 40 miles per hour. Not only that, behind this system, cold Arctic air sweeps into the region starting overnight Sunday into early next week. High temperatures, single digits to near zero. Wind chills will be anywhere from 10 to 25 below. We have a lot to continue to monitor for you. Here at home tonight, a dusting to 2 inches of snow. Our AccuWeather alert, a place for Friday. The weekend, that snow will wind down, but then the bitter cold and dangerous cold conditions move in here for early next week, guys.
All right.
So